Hello everyone, welcome back guys. Welcome back. What are we gonna do today? Monday, first day of the week, and we are here live. New place. We're from Colombia, guys. And the background is not at the Colombia. Many people think at the beach, but we are in the middle of the mountains. So I hope you're doing great, guys. And right now, let's connect and figure it out. First, the levels for today. We have, I need to check the chart properly right now. I have a few levels. Where is right now? We're at 19,564. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing great. Let me see. This is where I am right now. This is my background for the next weeks. Right? I hope you like it. And this is my medicine for my stomach problem. Yes, yes, yes. New place, new place. New place, guys. And wait, even more. If I show you all background like here, this is where I am right now. Speriamo di sì. Speriamo di sì. Let's see first the levels for today. I need to figure it out. We have a 19,613 level above. That's already there. I have a level there at, what is it, that level there? 19,487. 19,487, somewhere there. Nice view, man. Yes, thanks, brother. It's a beautiful view. It's a beautiful view. It's a beautiful view. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that, Mufti. It's beautiful. Colombia time, guys. I'm as well recovering from all the sickness of the last days. Still have some stomach, intestine problem, but we're fighting it. We're fighting it. So first of all, now I put the levels I have for today. I would like to see the daily chart. Interesting daily chart. Okay, we have some space there to go even more above. And right now I need to open my stocks. Sick view. Wait, Tomato, what's up? How are you, man? How you're doing? How everyone doing there? You're doing great, guys. Right now I'm just launching the stocks view. Not sure what do we have today for the moment. And the market is opening in 20 seconds. Dark race? No, not dark race today. You already won some money last week, man. You want me to lose everything? I think that is your goal. So market is open right now. I'm going to. Hey man, you're repeating every time that things of Tanja. You want to leave? You want to leave me for Tanja? You can go, but never come back anymore. Never come back. We don't accept traitors. From Tuesday to Friday with you. That's Tuesday? So not even Monday. Okay, I see that. Let me see if all my orders are working. Yes. Let's lose some money today, guys, again. Last week's were not that great. The main time we wait, we just need to wait right now. Do we have news today, guys? Do we have news? No Monday. Monday, empty news. We're holding the non-use, we're holding the opening print level. I'm looking for a hold and a push until the next level, the 612 there. I'm looking to it. Just need to see the stocks how are performing. Okay, the heat map is a mix. We have Nvidia red, we have Tesla good, Microsoft red. But I'm looking for that push, to be honest. If I see these things holding, I'm looking to it. How is the situation when I do free macros? Somewhere there. That's not bad. I like it. I like the free macros idea, but the stocks need to hold, or we are selling off. If we come back above the opening print level, I will look for longs. How was your weekend, guys? Did you spend it well? Mufti, Matthias, Abdel, Tomato, Red One. How was your weekend, guys? Same, all right. What about you? Man, I hope that you spent a good weekend. That's most important. Then for me, it was okay. Yesterday, long day, man, traveling, and I have diarrhea. I'm gonna say it. I had diarrhea yesterday, and I still have it now, but it's getting better. But I was traveling from 5 a.m. in the morning, and I got to the place at 9 p.m. with 2 hours difference. That means I got here at 11 p.m. of the Paraguayan time. So all day with that stomach problem, yeah, not the best. It was a suffering time, guys. It was a really suffering time. Now we're selling off there. I was hoping for the opening print level bounce, but not at all. We are instead coming back to the level, 488.50. Eat some bananas. I might go look around, right? Maybe we have some bananas there. Look. I mean, maybe you cannot see there because I put the camera there, but wait, I pointed out there. Yeah. I mean, yeah, somewhere there. In Colombia. Yeah, man. I see that there is some problem with the Chilean people there. Chilean? How do you call them? Chilean? Chile? But no, you're not anymore from Chile now. You're from Czech Republic. Chilean. Look at this bounce, guys. If I see some bounce there at this level, I like it. I might risk it for a long there if I see some support. Tesla is pushing there. It looks good. Look at that. We're finding some support there. But now a risk reward of 1-to-1. Oh my God, what is it? Will be somewhere. And it's possible. It is possible. But the stocks are weak. No, I'm not gonna take it. Not gonna take it. It will be just too much going against the stocks right now. Apple is selling off. Look at that. Luckily, I did not get in. I would have getting stopped out right away. Who knows? Maybe it is the sell-off moment, but this short here, I was more for a long, to be honest. But I do like it. I do like it, that level. That level on the hour chart looks amazing. Look at that. It's finding support there. Alaikum salam, Fatum. How are you? How are you guys? How are you doing? Doing good. That's most important. You're doing great. Alhamdulillah, you're doing great. That's great. Be healthy. Be good. You know, when someone says like said something like last time was like that we have so many problems, but then the moment we get sick, we have only one problem, and it's true. You know, in the last period, I was like, you have so many problems in my head, and I had a freaking high fever and everything. There is no other problem than trying to get back to yourself. So if you're good, healthy, guys, it's big things. Then you can focus on the other part, on the other stuff. And look at this beautiful, like for the people that come in live streaming from a different place, from Colombia, guys. From Jerez, I think it's called Jerez. This in the Spanish name, I still have to be better at it. What's up, Siddharth? How are you? I'm looking at this bounce, but stocks are doing a mixed signals, guys. So let's try to be careful. Yeah, Daniel looks amazing. How it's called? Let me just get you the correct name so I don't mess up the name again. Jericho, I think. Yeah, Jericho, I think. Jericho. In a European way would be Jericho, I guess, but pronounced yes. But pronounced is Jericho, right? I'm not saying it correctly. Good morning, society. How long are you there for? 3 weeks, I think. So for 3 weeks, you're gonna see this background or a different type of background, but we'll be around here. They're connected with they have a good Wi-Fi. I mean, the connection right now is going well, right? You don't have any problem, and not zero dropped frames. And they have as well a Starlink in worst case. So and Starlink is super fast, and it's now as the sun is coming out, but before it was cloudy, I tested, it was still working very well. And I'm in a period I was thinking to buy a Starlink, but I ended up not buying it because it was just not as much useful for me. I was thinking about traveling and trading, but in the end, the Starlink is good for real if you really are van traveling, the guy that travels in a van and stuff like that, that needs it. Okay, guys, we're finding some support at this level. Amazon is bouncing. Tesla is bouncing there. I'm looking for a buy here. I was looking for a buy. I was looking for a buy. Now it's gone. The buy is gone. Somewhere here would have worked very well. Okay, it's no problem. I can look for longs even more right now above the opening print level. Yeah, I have the I have the Paraguayan shirt, so I'm gonna put it in the next days. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. Look at this. I'm looking for this long. Above the opening print level and above this level, it's great. I just need to see it above the print level, but I like it. This is 5 minutes to close strong here, but it's coming there. 4 seconds. Looking into it. I'm gonna go in. Get in, guys. Long. Give it a nice stop loss area, and we're gonna look for at least the next level. So we're gonna give it a 2 to 1 risk reward here. What a What girl is screaming in the back? She's in East, but she's super far, but she's in East. I'm looking for longs, guys. Looking for a continuation to the next level. I like this strength right now we're having, so I'm gonna keep it until the next level. If we make it 600, just to 600 here. No, 600 round number. 612, that's 600. 600. I don't know. Because, no, it's very international here. For the moment, I met an Ecuadorian guy, Mexican, Swiss. One was totally mixed, Swiss, Moroccan, Spanish. Then I think from the States. So it's a lot of people, very nice. And they have a pull-up bar. That's what I was happy when I saw this morning. They have a pull-up bar, a dip bar. So it's gonna be good for training as well. 2 more minutes, guys, for the 50 minutes candle to close. And I like it right now. I really like that I got in there. What is my level there? Is it exactly what I say there at 600? 613. For a pull-up bar. Pull-up bar. Pull bar. We're getting, oh, that's beautiful apple they're pushing, guys. Let's see if we can get this over the one-to-one risk reward. My pull bar. I mean, if there was a pull, even the best, but no. Anyway, it's now it's funny that I'm getting some sun. I'm getting better. Oh, that's a nice push, guys. Is it? How much is that as a take profit? 240. I'm getting it there. 15 minutes candle closing soon. And wow, we're getting our TP. Oh wow, look at that. Let's see, guys. That's a beautiful push. Can we get a nice 1.5 risk reward here? 1.25. Push market. Push. Look at that. That's beautiful, guys. One trade is gone. The 612 is my next level, so I'm not gonna take any break and retest of the 50 minutes candle. But if you're taking the 50 minutes break there, you're in it right now. I wish you the best. Let's go, guys. First trade of the week. Colombia is taking care of us right now. At least we didn't blow up account 40 that was so close to blow up. We need to recover this account by small trades. Oh, look at that. The 612 level came out to be very nice. If I'm gonna look to longs, not using the 50 minutes because the 50 minutes is here, but like last time, I don't want to trade anymore against the level I have, right? So this is the 50 minutes, but I would like to first see holding as well the 612 level. That's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. We trade, we are relaxed. And you know, the most important things when you take a trade here, I took it, my stop loss would have been around here. Well, it was a $200 loss. And I was like, I'm okay with it. You know, you accept your loss, it's easier than to hold your trade. Because even if it comes back, you're like, I was already accepting the $200 loss. But if you don't accept $200 loss and you go above and you're scared it come back, so you start to think about moving the stop loss to break even, to do stuff that you shouldn't do. So always break even. It came back. Sorry, man. It's okay. Break even is good. Move to the next one. Next one. Red one is back trading because last week was working. That's beautiful push there. Again, I'm gonna look at this 612 to be held. And then we're gonna look for another long. But it has to hold This, and as well, I'm going to put a stop loss below as well, the 15 minutes. That's beautiful. How's the heat map right now? We're getting a bit more green than before, and the stocks are bouncing for real, are really bouncing very well. And let me see as well, we don't have anything above. So this push above 612, it can happen. I just need to see the 612 holding. Hello, alaikum salam, Ayub. Ayub, what's up, what's up? Let's see, right now it's holding there. I'm looking, if it give me a nice hold, I'm gonna look for a nice long here. Hello, Mahmoud. Hello, guys. Some sun is kicking my face, so I'm happy. Okay, that's good. I like it. We're coming back to the 15 minutes range. What a view. Yes, Ayub, what a view, right? Insane. This is the view to trade every day. This is the view to trade every day. Again, this is it. And this is only the top floor of the co-working place, because there is another co-working place there. That is the main co-working place. And here is the top one. Let's see right now, guys. I'm liking it. If it holds this level and it comes back above the 612 and go long. We're Colombia, guys. No. Whoa. Okay. Quantower is lagging. Look at that. Oh, that's ugly. That's ugly. What was that? Time to check Discord for news. Discord time. What is the news of Wake, our Wake news? News feed. What was that? That was insane. What are you smuggling, man? I wish I was doing something that was making me millions. Instead, I'm here losing money. Not today, at least. Yeah, right? What the heck? Imagine here that was a... Yeah, look at these ugly things, guys. Ugly. Just be careful, eh? It's annoying. These things are very annoying, right? There is no reason for this to freaking crash like that. But if someone speaks, someone says something, that's it, right? We're cooked. So right now we're coming back to the opening print level. And my idea of taking the long here, gladly I didn't take it, because if not, I would have getting even a big slippage there. This was the mistakes I've done last week of taking a long up against my level. So let's see what he wants to do. The stocks were very nicely pushing, to be honest. What the heck? 500 back to the opening print level. Back to the opening print level. That's a bit of annoying situation there. By the way, again, guys, again, I didn't say it yet. Again, today we still have the 80% off with Apex, I believe. Yes, for the next 2-3 days until the 31st, until the end of the month. Not so much. Google, not so much. Let me go back, check my stocks here. Google, not so. Google's. I mean, it had a nice V reversal there, but that's all. Now it's V reversal into the opposite direction. Yeah, I wish. Yeah, no news at least for the moment. Yeah, I wish I knew, Siddharth. Stock market in this period is just bullshit. What are these white lines on the table? I was like, which line, white lines? Man, this is the only fix I'm taking that is a drug. For a freaking anti-diarrhea things. You know how much I spent for these guys? I got screwed at the airport because I was traveling all day yesterday. I was like, I cannot travel with this. I had something, but it was not kicking. I was like, I will go to the pharmacy at the airport. $30. $30 for this. Not even if it was a freaking insane medicine. I got screwed. $1 million. Man, if I was rich, I don't know if I would be live streaming every day. I would be like maybe live streaming for fun with you guys anytime. Freaking live streaming became a job. But it became such a habit for me every day, Monday to Friday, that it's normal for me. But definitely, yeah, if I was rich, I don't know if I was live streaming. Yeah, right. I think it's good things that we live stream. We're here together, right? We speak. There are so many people here that they trade alone, and they like just to be with other people, putting some trades together. And yeah, that's it. Oh my God. Speaking about friends that don't understand trading, man. How many times, guys, how many times, just tell me your opinion. How many times did someone come to you in the first year, especially when you're not yet profitable, and they come to you and they're like, why are you doing that? And they laugh at you. It's not easy. It's not easy to go against your friends and your family and stuff like that. It's not easy. My main country of residence right now become Paraguay. But I don't have a really a place where I say I'm spending so much time. I travel as much as I can. And more content is coming. I will create so much content in the next period. I don't have a camera, unfortunately, but I will use my phone because my phone is a great camera. So I'm gonna use that one. Yes, trading nomad, yes. Yeah, yeah. Active Trader Society. You know sometimes as well with my live stream, some people come and they're toxic. So it's a reality. And bigger this live stream will be, more people like that will come. Yeah, Arium, I'm trying my best live streaming and trading, and I'm still working. I have a full-time job, guys. As much as I'm not a fake guy that says this is. Man, I swear to you, there are so many people around that tell you that they're making money. They're not. What a push here, guys. We're selling off. We're back to sell off. What the heck, guys? That's some situation. From the beautiful push, we're getting to a sell situation. 10 a.m. is coming. Are you? Thank you so much, man. My shorts are very old as well. I do trade different right now. I trade in a different way. So my last week was negative. Unfortunately, Friday was a bit of a pain. I should have closed break even, but I got so much slippage in one trade on my stop loss. But I should have closed in break even. For the rest, I changed my trading style just because my 50-minute strategy was great, but I want something more, and I'm fighting for it. Yeah, man. Well, no matter what, you can try. It's you. What I realized as well, I think, on with human and psychology is the fact that each one of us is in their position in their life just because of them. It's no other responsibility, no one else. As much as you can do to help them, you can definitely do a big change on them. but at the end of the day, it's really about yourself. It's about where I am right now in my life. It's not where I want it to be. For example, let's say 10 years ago, when I think about my goal of 10 years ago, did I reach what I wanted? No. Was it the fault of someone else? No, it was all my fault, all my mistakes. Double bottom here right now, Ayub. I'm looking into it. If we break a lower here, will be interesting. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to be, a bit more dynamic. And get me to the next level. That was a sell-off. Are you selling off right now, Active Trade Society? I'm gonna look for a sell if we close below this area. Right now is Amazon getting closer to the lows, Google as well, Tesla as well to the lows. So it's getting interesting for shorts. Up 154 on the day, locked myself out of the day. Great, let's go tomato. Up on the day on a Monday, you start the week green. That's great, man. Oh, look at that set. Oh, look at this 5 minutes candle, guys. 1 minute and 30 to close it. That's some sell-off. Glad it didn't go long. Could have get in a short here. It's easy to say after. Yeah, I'm looking for a moment of sell-off from a bit more of stocks. Apple is coming for the lows there. Apple lows of the day is 208.9. So it still has like 40 cents. We're coming down. We're coming down there. That's some sell-off. What the heck, guys? I need to check my hour chart. Ooh. Interesting. I might go for one more contract higher, just if I need to. Not even. What do you mean you made a mistake? There is no mistake. No worries, man. You can do as much as you can, but if you take, for example, it's the same here. If you take profit here and you followed your plan, then for a moment you say you did a mistake, and then a moment after you say you did amazing just because you see this. It's your brain playing with you, your emotions playing with you. As much as you know, everything that happens after, you have to take it with a mentality of your brain is analyzing data that you didn't have before, as in making you create emotions that do not make sense. Did I follow my plan? Yes. Then the rest does not matter. It's really, guys, it's selling off to the insanity. And I'm like, give me a moment of, yeah, looking very bearish. Right now, Apple is breaking to the lows as well. And I don't have, what is my next level to the lows? I have 271. 271. And 239. Heat map getting red. Not a surprise, extended on the daily chart, bull trap at the open, where swings got some nice sells, and now pre-market longs getting out. And I'm just waiting to see if we can get a nice short side. Well, it sounds crazy, but for me, it's bullish. If you don't sound crazy, whatever you see, that is the beauty of this market, is that anything you see here can be bearish or bullish. I can say it's bullish because, okay, I can say it's bullish because we're still in an uptrend, in a long situation, right? and people can see it bearish when they look more different data. So everything that is the beauty of the market. I'm looking for just a little bit of a pullback, seeing a bit of slowing down, and then I looking for shorts if the shorts comes. Okay, we're getting the pullback. I'm looking if this pullback is not too strong enough, and I'm gonna look if we can get a short side. I just need to see the stocks cooling down, and this is not a reversal. V trade of the year, if that holds, but as far PDH was broke. I'm just waiting to see if we can get some confirmation that this is gonna reject this area. Same for Amazon and others, but who knows? This can be a huge V reversal. Look at that. It's still, yeah, I don't see, there is holding right now. It's holding. So our Hosek that he said was going long here was right. NFL draft, I don't watch that. I never understood the draft situation they do I never understood the draft situation they do in USA for basketball or for rugby or whatever it's called, football. No, football, American football. Who knows right now? We might look even for longs here. If this comes back and holds, we can come back and retest the opening print level. This can be a really choppy situation market. By the way, I forgot that this is was the 50 minutes range as well. So it can hold and go. I really realized right now, this is with the 50 minutes range. Call me crazy, guys. I'm going long. I'm going long, guys. I like this long. I like this long. Up to the opening print level. I like it. We're back to the 50 minutes range. We're gonna and looking to get back to the opening pin level. Looking for that continuation. If I get screwed, it's my fault. Like, look at that, hold there, hold the line. I'm with you, baby. Yeah, that's why it's going down right now. No, the stop is too short. It's too short. I like the stop idea. We're going back there. So if it does not hold there, I'm gonna call myself out. But we take it. We take the idea. Back to the 50 minutes range. We can get that, but until we see which side fits, very much 50-50. So look at that. Nick and Active Trader Society, they are in the same page saying 50-50, both of them. Look at that. Maybe they will become best friends. I'm just teasing you guys. I'm just teasing them because they fought it last time. And that's, you know, trading is that. Trading is a hit word. That's it. Love it. At the end, it's just love between traders. Come on, get a push. Can we get a push? 530, 40, 50. Oh, I like it. Long German Q as well for Mufti. Mufti appears when he says his entries. Boom, I'm long. And if Mufti is long, I can be relaxed, guys. If Mufti is long, this trade is gonna be a winner. Come on, push. Don't make me jinx it. No, I'm good. Yes, you said it's somewhere here. You said somewhere here that you were looking for longs. I can show you my 5 years of minus 50% return. 494 break even. Oh, you're long from here. Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna move my stop loss just below these wicks. If you want my 5 years record, it's not even 5 years because I've been day trading for 4 years and a half. So I can show you that. First year negative, second year negative, third year negative slightly. Yeah, still negative, slightly. Yes, 4 year green, 50 year slightly green right now. So I can show you 1 year and 3 months. No, a bit less. Make it 1 year. Can we get a little bit more push? Add. Oops. Oh yeah, man, it's full of them. It's full of them. That's why I say to you guys, never trust anyone in the social stuff until they don't show everything. It's very hard. It's very hard. Oh well, oh, that's what I'm selling off right now. Move to the cat. I'm out. I was like, fuck this. I'm out. You know one now. Nice to meet you. Live streaming for many years. I think there are people that live stream for that long, but still, I'm not sure if I can say profitable or not. I know one guy that is very profitable and is a good trader is Aaron Trades. That's one of the few guys that I would just advise. He trades live stream. Aaron Trades is honestly probably the one of the few counted in my like 3-4 people I would advise. Aaron Trades. He live stream not that much, but he live stream on he live stream but he live stream on London session and Asian session. Does he show his records on a record? He shows everything. Yeah, he does not hide anything. He's a good trader. Been trading for 8 years, I think. I don't know if he has been profitable for 5, but I like his mentality and how he trades and he shares everything. Enjoy, Tomato. See you next time, my friend. Yeah, they're rare. They're rare. Definitely they're rare. Nothing to say about that. That's true. Close to stop and wait for the TP. Yeah, I'm waiting for this to go slightly above to make myself out of the risk. But right now, it still is in this area of retest that I wanted to enter as a trade. So I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even. I'm gonna keep it there, and if I get stopped out, it's good. It's okay. Not good, but it's okay. I will lose $160. My day will be green anyway by $80, I think. Yeah. There are some people that spend so much money on accounts, YOLOing. They never show the PA accounts. So for me, if you don't show the number of PA like I show in the live stream here below, you show the number PA 40 something, 38, then you are hiding something. If instead you're showing them, then you are showing to people as well how many evaluation and how many PAs you went through. Ozek adding as well. I'm looking for just these things to go above this 520 area. We're kind of triangulating a little bit there. Piece of couple for price action. Yeah, it's patience game. It's patience game, guys. Patience games. Could have done better in this trade. Entering here, 488. At this rate, easy to say. My 400K long. We're brave. We're strong. But come on, can we get a little bit push? Can we get a little bit more push? Come on. Oh, this is freaking us. I'm looking to maybe call myself out of this trade soon. I'm just letting it play until now, but it could go down as much as it could go up from what I see. Let it go up. Let it go up. If it is faking out right now here, I'm gonna call myself out from this trade because it does not. I'm out. I call it out, guys. I just don't like that it's three times trying to push above. It can go higher right now. I'm gonna call it myself out there. Give it a little bit. But it does not show my trade. Settings. Order entry, visual trading, orders. Why does not show my entry here? My exit. Why it does not show here long? It should show my exit here. Coward. Man, I'm just here. Yeah, I don't know why it does not show my red things there. Yeah, I'm not gonna get in anymore. I've taken my 2 trades. I call myself out. It's a good day. But this thing was just not going as much as I wanted. And I didn't like that it was faking the breakout. Once, twice, and now 3 times. As many times it can fake out, the moment it sells a little bit, this thing is gonna skyrocket to the downside. And Apple is right now selling off a little bit. Google is on the short side. Yeah, don't like it. Yeah, right now Google is selling off. It's a good day that we closed it, and it's a good trade. I like how I traded this one. I like even my entry. I like that I kept my correct loss. Could have done better with my entries. I guess somewhere here. Waited a little bit more, but still. Look at that. Look, just choppiness there, guys. Choppiness. Yeah, Google look nasty, to be honest. Guys, I'm gonna call it right now. I think I'm done for today. 80% off, guys, is back with Apex. As you know, it's back. It's still running. My code is Hamza as many times as you want. And thank you, guys. It was a nice stream, to be honest. I really enjoyed it. And as well, good profit. So see you tomorrow. See you on Discord. And have a beautiful day, guys. Have a lovely, lovely day. Peace and love, guys. Good luck. Look at that short. Maybe the short is coming, or maybe the long. I'm gonna look into Discord later. See you guys.